Hey y'all, one big question everyone's always asking is, can you make your own cube steaks? Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to do that, and today I'm going to be using steaks that I had in my freezer that I need to be using and get rid of. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you exactly what to do and how to do it. Okay guys, to begin with, all you're going to need to do is cut your steaks in half, because remember, whenever you're going to be tenderizing them, they are going to expand. Now you want your steaks to be at least 1/4 of an inch thick, because again, remember, we're going to be tenderizing them. So take your meat cleaver or tenderizer that has little pokey pointy parts on it and just gently tap it. It looks like I'm beating the tar out of it, but I'm really not. It's just I have my video going a little bit quicker so that we can get this done faster and y'all can see how to do this. Now you're going to want to gently tap each side of your steaks about twice or 2 times, sorry. That way you'll have enough crevices and holes, and then for whenever you're going to flour them up and deep fry them and make country fried steaks. And you can do this with any kind of meat, steak, chicken, pork. Not quite sure about fish. I'm sure you could, but fish already has a bunch of little crevices in it. And once you're done, all you have to do is fry it up and make your delicious country fried steak. And I hope you learned something today, y'all. And stay tuned for the recipe on how to make this. Bye now.